Hey everyone! Welcome to TutorTalks. This is the channel where learning English feels easy, fun, and natural.
That's right. We don't just teach English. We talk it through real conversations you can use every day.
I'm Lara, your conversation partner and English learning friend.
And I'm Jack, your English buddy, here to help you speak with confidence.
So grab your headphones, relax, and let's start our first conversation.
Today's topic is something everyone hears when meeting new people. Tell me about yourself. Let's go.
Okay, Jack, let's show everyone how it's done. Tell me about yourself.
Sure. My name is Jack. I'm from Australia. I live in London now, and I work as an English teacher.
Nice and simple, clear and friendly. Let me try. My name is Lara. I'm from Brazil, and I'm a student. I study graphic design.
That's perfect. 2 sentences and people already know who you are.
Now let's make it more interesting. You can add a few extra details, like hobbies or interests. That makes your introduction sound more natural.
Good idea. I like playing the guitar and watching movies. It helps me relax after work.
That sounds fun. I love cooking, especially pasta. I also enjoy painting when I have time.
So you're creative and a good cook? I'm impressed.
Thanks. You can also talk about your family or pets if you want. Do you have any pets, Jack?
Yes, I have a small dog named Max. He's super friendly and loves to run around.
Aw, I love dogs. I have a cat. Her name is Luna. She sleeps all day. Typical cat, right?
Totally. I think cats are professional nappers.
So, remember, when someone says, "Tell me about yourself," you don't have to say everything. Just share a few simple things. Your name, where you're from, what you do, and what you like.
Exactly. For example, my name is Jack. I'm from Australia. I'm a teacher. I like music and movies.
Perfect! Now it's your turn. Pause the video and practice your own introduction.
And if you want, write your answer in the comments below. We'd love to read it and maybe feature a few in the next video.
Thanks for watching our very first episode of Tutor Talks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are learning English.
Keep practicing and keep improving.
See you in the next conversation.
Bye, everyone.